Hello everyone, let's take a look at the steps to disable Bing web searches in Windows Search on Windows 11. Starting with the latest preview of the operating system, in the experimental channel, Microsoft is adding an option to disable Bing search results in the search experience. This means that you no longer have to resort to system tweaks to accomplish this. In addition, there is a new option that allows you to block Microsoft Store apps from appearing in results. And here's how to do it. First, we need to open the Settings app. Then we need to go to Privacy and Security, and then we need to go to the Search page. In here, you're going to notice that the Show Suggested Search Results setting has been updated, and now we have two options. Right now, web searches in Microsoft Store are turned on. So that means that if I try to do a search for download Windows 11, ISO, for example, we're going to notice that we have search results. Now, in the same way, if I do a search for WhatsApp, for example, I'm going to see suggestions from the Microsoft Store to download the WhatsApp app in this case. So if we want to disable these experiences, we just need to turn these two options. You can choose either one or both. And then when we do a search, we're going to see that we no longer get Bing results for web searches. And if I try to do a app search, we're not going to get results from the Microsoft Store. At any time, you could always revert the changes by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, Search, and make sure to turn on the options that you want to use. Although these new settings are available for version 26H2, since this version and 25H2 are identical, you can expect these settings also to appear in version 25H2. However, the specific date when the company is going to make this feature available still to be determined. Let me know in the comments if you plan to disable these features. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.